Hey, listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach for anything.
March 7th, 2026, South Figueroa Street, Los Angeles. A report of a trespasser at a local convenience store is about to escalate into something far more dangerous. To see how the confusion started, we have to go back to the original 911 call.
LA City 911 for 938.
Yeah, can you send the police here at 15 on Figueroa Street is within the beach at this.
And why do you need the police, sir?
Yeah, we have a white lady up in there, came in, is right behind the counter, came and take cigarette, open it, smoking, and he has a knife, he have scissors with him. They bring the dog in, the dog have no leash on him. He's in the store trying to fight. He said this store is a store, this store belongs to him.
What color clothing does he have on, sir?
He has a pink shirt on, pink shirt and a gray jean.
Okay. And you said he's armed. Does he have the knife in his hand or is it in his pocket?
Yeah, he has a knife and he has scissors. And, in his back, they have the dog. The dog don't have no chain.
Okay, hang on one second.
Bring the dog.
I'm sorry, is the knife in his hands or is it in his pocket or his backpack?
His hand.
Okay, is it a man or it's a man, correct, not a woman?
She's a lady.
It's a woman, okay.
She's a lady, yeah.
Officers hate a messy radio call. A man or a woman? A knife or a tool? Every second they spend sorting out the facts is a second they are not watching for a move.
Go outside. Go outside.
Turn around.
Turn around.
You're gonna get tased. It's gonna hurt really bad.
I sure will.
Okay.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn around
You're
or you're
not
gonna get
even real
tased.
cops.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
Who's your authority? Who is?
Dude.
Because it's me.
Hey, can you just stay on her?
Hey, we don't want to hurt your dog.
Hey, don't grab anything. Yeah, I'm grabbing. Hey, grab.
Hey.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn around.
You're not even real cops. Okay? Who's your authority? Who is? Because it's me.
Okay, listen.
There's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach for anything.
Hey. Don't grab anything.
Turn around or
You're
you're
not
gonna
even
get
real
tased.
cops. Okay? Who's your authority? Who is? Because it's me. Okay?
Hey, there's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach for anything.
Hey, don't grab anything. Exam 1 shot fired, shots alternate help.
Despite the immediate cardiopulmonary resuscitation efforts by the officers, 53-year-old Cynthia Acres was pronounced deceased by paramedics. Investigators recovered a pocket knife and the handgun she pointed at the officers, which was later determined to be a pellet gun. A significant factor throughout this encounter was the presence of her small, unleashed dog. The animal's safety played a major role in the officers' initial restraint, as they were visibly hesitant to escalate while the dog was in the line of fire. It is a tragic conclusion to a situation that began with a dispute over a cigarette and a claim of store ownership. From a legal perspective, the Los Angeles Police Department is now scrutinizing the simultaneous discharge of both a taser and a firearm. They must determine if the use of deadly force was consistent with policy, given that the weapon turned out to be non-lethal. However, in the heat of the moment, a pellet gun is visually indistinguishable from a real firearm, making the threat feel absolute. Psychologically, Acres exhibited what experts call authority denial. By repeatedly asking, "Who is your authority?" she was attempting to invalidate the officer's presence to maintain her own delusional reality. This case is a stark reminder of how a mental health crisis can turn a routine call into a fatal encounter in just a few seconds. But here is the question for you. Did the presence of the dog and her obvious mental instability justify the officer's long wait? Or did that very patience put their lives at risk when she finally pulled the weapon. Please share your perspective in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If you appreciate these deep dives into the raw truth behind the badge, please hit that subscribe button to support the Blue Line Raw community. Thank you for your time, stay safe, and I will see you in the next case.